students, welcome to Jainam software. Let's understand the due functionality in Jainam loan management software. In status report, due list, I click refresh and I get 163 records. Now there is a situation where I have given some extra time for some loans, and hence I do not want those loans to be displayed in this due list till the extra time is given. So in advanced setting, I select extra time and I want to click refresh so that all the loans where extra time is given, I have to filter from this list. So you can see loan number 2 is not showing here. The reason is I am accessing loan number 2 and in follow up I can see that extra time is permitted till 15th Jan. If I go back to due list, click advanced filter and extra time, let's say 16. So this indicates that I do not want to show any loan where extra time is permitted till 16. Now loan number 2 will be displayed here because the extra time was given till 15. Now one more feature here is that you can simply mouse over on name and you can see the remark. If you want to change the remarks very important because when you discuss the due list with your staff, you need to add some remarks which you can refer next time when you discuss the same loan in your staff or group. You simply enter the remark and click save. This is a quick remark for taking the decision or understanding the previous meetings or whatever decisions held in the previous meeting, and it will be helpful here. In case you want to maintain the log of remarks, then the best way is you can click the loan and then when the loan is open you can enter the follow-up comments. So you can get the history of follow-up comments here, but the remarks in due list will help you to quickly get the summary of discussions happen. Alright, I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much.